This is fascinating, I must say. Renderings often originate from idle individuals or those who have been hired by a publication to do so. Here, things are different since a tuner took matters into its own hands to covertly preview the successor for the Lamborghini Aventador. The adjacent digital design exercise was offered by DMC and was inspired by recent spy photos of disguised prototypes.
The flagship Raging Bull, which will undoubtedly feature a freshly improved V12 engine with electronic assistance, will be presented sometime in 2019. The Scion FKP37's engine used supercapacitors, while the Aventador's replacement will depend on a plug-in hybrid system that probably comes with a weight penalty. What is the purpose of Sant'Agata Bologne's current course? Because more stringent emissions requirements must be followed even by Lamborghini. The upside is that an entirely new V12 should still be normally aspirated rather than adopting turbocharging. The Aventador successor, according to company CEO Stefan Winkelmann, won't be mechanically connected to the Scion FKP37 and will be an entirely new vehicle. He continued by confirming that it will feature active aero, all-wheel steering in addition to AWD, and a lot of carbon fiber to save weight. Since every new Lamborghini vehicle starting in 2023 will be a hybrid, the new V12 engine will serve as the company's signal for its electrified goals. It has already been revealed that the Huracan successor would use a PHEV arrangement with a combustion engine with more than 6 cylinders. By 2024, the Urus will also cruise down the electrified road ahead of the company's first EV, which is expected to be a crossover in 2028.